Okay, Greg, what's your plan?
We're gonna kill a peep by the candle, by 4 candles, putting a piece of paper over, and lighting the candles and putting the paper over it.
And then the peep on top of the paper. Now get the peep on top of the paper, and let's see what happens.